Hello everyone, this is Gitika Chawla from USPC Jain Public School, and today we'll start question number 5 of exercise 12.3 chapter 12 algebraic expressions of class 7. In question number 5 they are asking that when a equals to 0 and b equals to minus 1, find the value of the following expressions. Means same here, now we are having value of a as 0, b as minus 1, and we have to find the value of the given following expression. See here, in first expression we are having 2a plus 2b, and we have to substitute value of a as 0 and b as minus 1. Then on putting the value, I am getting 2 into 0, that is 0, and 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2. And then 0 minus 2, that is minus 2. Then this is your answer. In second part we are having 2a square plus b square plus 1. We have to put a as 0 and b as minus 1, and on substituting we are getting here as 0 raised to power 2 will be 0, and we are going to multiply any number with 0, the answer will be 0 there. So it is 0, and here minus 1 raised to power 2, it will be positive 1, then plus 1 as it is, and plus 1 is 2. Then in third part we are having 2a square b plus 2ab square plus ab, and we will put here a as 0, b as minus 1. So where there is a and b, will put here a as 0, b as minus 1 in this expression, and we are getting here, you can see here as a is 0 hai, and in all the three terms in this expression they are having a. It means when you are going to multiply all the expression, all the terms in this expression with the 0, the answer will be, the term will be 0 itself. So this term is 0, this term is also 0, this one is 0, so 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. Fine. In this way you can simplify question number 5, and this one fourth part you can do it yourself. Now we'll move to the next question number 6. See, simplify the expressions and find the value of x is equals to 2. Mean to say here he is asking to simplify the expression which is given to us. First of all we'll simplify the expression, and after that we'll put here as equals to 0, because it is given x equals to 0, and they can also write in this way also. So let's start it now. First of all we will open the bracket. What is there? See, x plus 7 plus 4 into x minus 5. See, this one is in bracket, and there is outside plus 4 is there. So I am going to multiply this bracket with positive 4. So what it become? X plus 7 as it is, then 4 into x, that is 4x, 4 into minus 5, that is 20. Minus 20 is there because 5 is negative. And after that x plus 4x, then 7 minus 20, we collect all like terms. Then x plus 4x is 5x, plus 7 minus 20, that means minus 13. Now we can't simplify them further, so what is given, that we are having value of x as 2. Now substitute the value of x as 2, put x equals to 2 here, where there is x, put there as 2, so 5 into 2, that is 10, minus 13 as it is, then 10 minus 13 is minus 3, and this is the answer. Then in next part again you can see here we are having a bracket, so first of all we will open the bracket and will simplify it. So after opening the bracket become 3 into x, 3x, 3 into 2, 6, then plus 5x minus 7 as it is. Now collect both like term, 5x plus 3x here, 3x plus 5x, then 6 minus 7 right here, then 3 plus 5, 8, so 8x, 6 minus 7 is minus 1. So this is answer, but we have to put the value of x as 2 here. So put x as 2, then after that we will get here 8 into 2 minus 1, 8 2 is 16 minus 1, that is 15, and this is your answer. Then after that in third part again we are having 6x plus 5 into x minus 2. The same process we will do here, we will open the bracket. Then after opening the bracket we will simplify the like terms, as 6x plus 5x is 11x, then minus 10. Now we can't solve them further, put value of x as 2. Then 11 into 2 minus 10. 11 2 is 22 minus 10. The answer is 12. Then the same way you can simplify your next part. Do it yourself. Now in next question number 7, see what they are asking here. They simplify the expressions and find their value if x equals to 3, a as minus 1 and b as minus 2. Mean to say here, in this expression, in these 5 expressions, we are having different variables as x, somewhere it is a, somewhere it is b also. We will substitute the values of variables according to the sum, and we will simplify them also. So first of all what we will do, we will simplify the sum because they are asking to simplify first. So let's start simplification. So I am having very first part 3x minus 5 minus x plus 9. Fine. So what we'll do here, we will collect like terms like 3x minus x, then minus 5 plus 9. Then 3x minus x is 2x, minus 5 plus 9 is 4. And this is the answer of this one, simplification. Now after that, what we'll see here, you can see here we are having x and the value of x is 3. So put here x as 3. Where there is x, put x as 3. So let's start. X is here. So 2 into 3 plus 4. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. And this is your answer. With the same way, see second part, I am having 2 minus 8x plus 4x plus 4. Again collect like terms here. Fine. After collecting like term, what we'll do? We will simplify them. So minus 8x plus 4x is minus 4x. 2 plus 4 is 6. Now put x as 3 because as x value is given to us. So x as 3 here. So minus 4 into 3 plus 6. It becomes minus 4 into 3, that is minus 12 plus 6, and it becomes minus 6. Then with the same way, third part we are having 3a plus 5 minus 8a plus 1. Again 3a minus 8a will write together. Then plus 5 plus 1. Then after simplification we got here minus 5a plus 6. But the value of a is given as minus 1. So substitute here a as minus 1. So minus 5 into minus 1 is positive 5 plus 6. So it becomes 5 plus 6 as 11. Then same next part we are having 10 minus 3b minus 4 minus 5b. Now we'll solve them. What it get here? First of all collect the like term, means minus 3b minus 5b, then 10 minus 4. The solve them and we got here minus 8b plus 6. Now again put the value of b as minus 2, which is given to us in the statement. Then after that, after substituting b as minus 2, we are getting here 16 because minus 8 into minus 2, that is positive 16. So plus 6, 16 plus 6 is 22. With the same way, in the last part of this sum, we are having 2a minus 2b minus 4 minus 5 plus a. So collect like term first. As you can see here, we are having like term as 2a and a I am writing here. Then I am having single b terms who is having b variable. So write here minus 2b. Then minus 4 minus 5, that is minus 9. You can simplify with your own criteria, with your own way also. Then after that, after simplification, we are getting 3a minus 2b minus 9. Now you can see here in this part we are having two variables a and b. So what we'll do here, we'll put here a as minus 1, b as minus 2. Then on substituting we are getting 3 into minus 1 minus 2 into minus 2 minus 9. So it becomes 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. Minus 2 into minus 2, that is 4, then minus 9. Now we'll simplify these two. Minus 3 plus 4, that is positive 1, minus 9. So 1 minus 9 is minus 8. And this is the answer of this last part. So in this way you can simplify question number 7.